Hello lovelies, and welcome back to the food channel. Today I will be diving into one of my favorite rituals post-workout, a rejuvenating green smoothie that's not only delicious but it's packed with all the goodness your body craves after a great workout session. Join me as I blend up a storm of health with cucumber, green apple, spinach, bananas, creamy avocado, and a hint of fresh mint from my own kitchen garden. Yes, my own kitchen garden. So let's get started. This green smoothie is packed with nutrients and bursting with flavor. This is the perfect way to replenish your energy after a good sweat session. As usual, I will leave a pinned comment below with the recipe to this smoothie, so be sure to check it out. First things first, I'm going to prep all my ingredients. So I'm going to chop the cucumber and slice the green apple. I'm going to toss that aside, and I'm going to start by pouring in some water into the blender before putting in the ingredients. This helps the blender to be able to blend everything smoothly. After putting like a quarter cup of water, I'm going to put in all the other ingredients, the cucumber, the apple, the spinach, the bananas. I'm going to put them all in, secure the lid on the blender, and let the magic happen. For an extra creamy texture, I sometimes like to add a splash of some almond milk, which is what I added here. It's totally optional, you can just use water, but because I love creamy, I added some almond milk. You can use any alternative milk, but I like the almond because it not only adds the creaminess, but it also brings in some additional nutty goodness. I'm going to blend until everything becomes a velvety, vibrant concoction. If you're doing this, you'll be greeted with the enticing aroma of fresh greens and sweet fruits. If you have a small blender like me, you might want to have your ingredients, or do as I did. Once everything the first time has blended down, then I'm just going to add in the others. Look at that color. Nature's way of saying I am packed with nutrients. This green smoothie will not just be a treat for your taste buds, it's a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body will thank you for after a good workout. And there you have it, a post-workout green smoothie that's as delightful as it is nutritioning. Feel free to get creative with your ingredients and let me know in the comments below how you personalize your post-workout smoothies. To serve, you can garnish with a mint leaf or a slice of cucumber. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more healthy living tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until next time, stay healthy and stay vibrant.